Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, it's 10 a.m. I just got home from Spin in Target. I didn't get too much at Target, I only have like one fun thing to show you guys. But I just need to get like household stuff, like I need to get detergent, paper towels. I'm gonna make butternut squash tacos, so I need to get butternut squash. And I just got these watermelon popsicles that sounded really good. So didn't get too much, but the fun thing that I have to show you guys, oh, and dish soap. Again, not very fun, but I did get this. It was on sale for $12. Isn't it so pretty? So I feel like I could use this as a bathing suit cover, but also how I pictured this styled is with like ripped denim with a white bodysuit and some heels. I think would look so cute for the summertime. So this was on sale for $12. I'll try and link it, but they had a lot of good stuff on their clearance rack. So only got one thing, but I'm obsessed with it. The colors too are so pretty. The pink and the orange and the green, yellows, very spring and summery. So yeah, I got that. I'm trying to be good with clothes and spending money because you guys know it just gets out of hand. So yeah, as far as today goes, so I'm gonna go shower. I want to show you guys what the bathroom's looking like. I have like the first clip I'll put in, and then what it's looking like now. It's going to look so good. They were thinking they were going to be done on Friday, but which would have been yesterday, but Brad and I were like, there's no way, because they need to do plumbing, they need to paint, they need to do a lot. So I'm hoping by early next week we should be good to go. But compared to my painters, honestly, this is nothing, so we'll take it. But yeah, I think I might head down to my parents' house tonight. I'm not entirely sure what the plan is for today. I have nothing going on. I did get asked to go to Taylor Swift, but it just like didn't work out with scheduling and everything. So I think I'm gonna head down to my parents, see my niece and nephew, because they're gonna be over. I don't know, I think it's just gonna be a very chill weekend, which I'm not mad about. I want to go to Spin tomorrow, do my Sunday reset because it's been a minute since I've done that, and just be like productive. So yeah, okay, let's go shower and get ready for the day. I love doing, you guys know I love doing the early morning spin sessions because I have my whole day. Like if I were to have gone to the 9 o'clock, class would just be ending. I would have had to go to Target. I just feel like the day, that hour really makes a difference. But anyways, checking you guys later. So wanted to let you guys know because I've gotten a few questions. We have a shower in our basement. So my father-in-law actually lives with us. So we've been using his bathroom. He's been like great about it. He obviously doesn't care. So yeah, a few people were like, so how do you shower? Like, are you using the gym? And I was like, no. So we have a bathroom in our basement. So that's been very convenient because yeah, it would have been a little bit of a struggle trying to figure out how we're gonna like shower and everything because we have a half bath downstairs but doesn't have a shower or bath. So yeah, all right, I need to go shower and get ready for the day. Okay, here is the current state of the bathroom. I am obsessed, you guys. So the tub is in, the tile is in. They need to finish, obviously, the shelving in the shower, but it's gonna look so good. And then it's gonna be glass doors. I'm obsessed. It's gonna look so good. Like, compared to what it looked like before, it's such a difference. And then the hardware is all gonna be black. And then they haven't started painting yet, but oh, I think it's gonna look so good. Eventually we want to do an extension over the garage. That's in like, I don't know, within like the next 5 years is our plan, but you know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, they're gonna paint, of course. We're gonna do a circle mirror. We got a really cool light fixture. So yeah, the vanity too is here. It's like so heavy, so they're like struggling on how they're gonna get it up here. But I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good, so updated and modern compared to before. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys their progress so far. So hopefully it'll be done by next week. I'm thinking we'll see. Oh, and then we got floating shelves that will go over the toilet. So it's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. so it is now Sunday. I know I didn't vlog yesterday, but yeah, I went to my parents' house. I helped watch my niece and nephew, which was really fun. I didn't vlog just because, you know, don't want to be on YouTube, which is completely understandable. So yeah, and then I came home. It was so gloomy out yesterday. Like, honestly, it was pouring rain, which we needed because of how bad the pollen is. But you guys know my mood really depends on the weather. So I was hanging back, having a very chill, relaxing Saturday night. Brad went out with some friends. So yeah, I started the new season of Selling Sunset, which was really good. I didn't think it was going to be that great without Christine, but surprisingly I was impressed. I could have probably finished the season last night, but Brad got home. So yeah, anyways, today's Sunday, so really want to do my Sunday reset. I want to clean our patio furniture because it's looking a little rough. So but, you know, that's what you get for having my patio furniture. So I'm gonna do that, I think, when I get home, get ready for the day, and then I think we're grabbing lunch with my mother-in-law, which will be fun. And then I just want to like clean the house. I'm really hoping that the bathroom is finished. I know they still have a lot of work they need to do, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be like another 2 or 3 days. But I just like, it's so annoying having to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and like going down the stairs and everything. But I mean, it's not the end of the world. So yeah, but gonna be probably a chill Sunday as well. So I'll probably take you guys with me the next few days, like I kind of always do, because my plan is to always vlog on Sundays and then or on the weekend, and I feel like I don't get that much content. But I'm actually going to be working Monday and Tuesday pretty late or slash early, actually late too, because I'm taking Friday off and I don't want to use any more PTO. I've had to use some PTO just for like appointments and not feeling too great. So yeah, I just I want to be able to flex my hours so that way I can have Friday off. I just honestly just want a really long weekend since it's Memorial Day weekend next Monday. So I have that day off, so I decided to take off Friday. But like I said, I just don't want to use any more PTO. So anyways, even though I still have a lot, I don't know, I like to save it, whether it's like, I don't know, going on a vacation or taking time off, or being able to cash out at the end of the year is really nice that we're able to do that. So yeah, anyways, I will check in with you guys later on. Like I said, I'm gonna try and do maybe some yard work. Yard work for me is cleaning the patio furniture, and I'll check in with you guys later on. Hey you guys, so it's now a lot later. It's 4 o'clock. Honestly, I've just been kind of doing a whole lot of nothing. I went and grabbed lunch with my mother-in-law. That was fun. Me and Brad and his mom went. We got Mexican food, so I'm like still so full, but it's already 4 o'clock. So just went back to the store. Brad went for us this morning, but I forgot to put a few things on the list, so I just went and grabbed some stuff. Really didn't need anything besides granola bars, but Rex is crying. Go downstairs. Go ahead. But anyways, we're going to do the patio furniture now because this morning it was like a little bit cooler, but now it's beautiful out, so I'm happy I saved that. But you can see the hamper, catching up on so much laundry just because this week, you guys know, the bathroom renovation, so they've had to shut off the water, so I haven't been able to do laundry, and for whatever reason, me and Brad go through so much laundry, just the two of us. So I've been catching up on that, watching Selling Sunset, but I want to get outside. I'm like, oh my gosh, I've like wasted the day inside because I thought it was like a little bit cooler, but it's fine. So let me show you guys what I got at the store. So the main thing that we needed was granola bars, and these were on sale. I don't really go for like the healthy granolas. I don't really care about like the protein or anything. I just like to have this as a snack before spin because I hate going on an empty stomach. So these are good. Comes with chocolate chips, s'mores, and peanut butter chocolate chips. So sounded good to me. I love this oatmeal. This is the s'mores oatmeal. So grab that. Ooh, I got a coconut water because, again, I've talked about this. I'm trying to be better on my caffeine intake, and I actually saw a TikTok of like how good coconut water is for you. So I'm gonna drink this now because I'm tired. Not that that has like any caffeine, but I'm just like not in the mood to sip on my lemon water. Brad forgot his gummies. These were on sale. He's like, I don't need them, but I know he's gonna be like, I wish I got them. So we love these. They're really good. I know they're for kids, but we enjoy them here. Oh, you guys, I've been watching so many TikToks of people eating these samyang noodles, the carbonara ones. So I'm excited. I feel like that's gonna be really good for lunches because my work, I only get a half hour. So I always just need something fast. So I grabbed that. I think it's gonna be delicious. Forgot a bell pepper for a recipe I'm making this week. I'm gonna make a summer corn chowder. Sounded really good. I found it on Pinterest. Nacho cheese Doritos. Love those for lunch. With like a sandwich. Butter, because we ran out, and the price of butter. So I went to a grocery store that's really expensive. It was like $8. I'm like, I'm just gonna grab the cheapest one, and I'll go to like my cheaper grocery store and get like the store brand, because this was still like $6. I don't remember butter being that expensive. And then the last thing, Sour Patch Kids. We love snacking on these at night, and the Celtics are on tonight. We're both really into, he's always been into the Celtics. I actually am too, but especially with the finals and everything. So I figured this would be fun for us to snack on tonight. So that's everything. I'm gonna put this away and get outside. It is so nice out. And then not really doing my Sunday reset this week because the bathroom is currently being remodeled, and just gonna catch up on laundry, vacuum, and really want to get the patio. What the heck is that? Do you guys hear that? That's wicked annoying. But gonna get the patio furniture cleaned. And yeah, I can't believe it's already 4 o'clock. We went and had Mexican food, so I'm like still really full, but I'll probably start dinner in a little bit. Brad's coaching right now, so yeah, just want to give you guys a little update. I need to get outside because I gotta enjoy this sunshine, even though I think this week I'm going to be working outside because, like I said, the bathroom and everything is just really loud. So all right, let's actually do, I haven't had this brand. I saw it when I was checking out and I was like, wait, I remember wanting to get coconut water, and this was the brand that the girl was talking about. I should actually put it into a smoothie, but yeah, let's try it. I usually have the box one, and I really like that one too. I do like it. It's not a coffee, but it will do. So, all right, Ricky's, you want to go hang out outside with me? Listen to some music, and hopefully this patio cleaner works. It's not terrible, but it definitely needs a good little wipe down. Okay, this is what the patio furniture is looking like currently. It's not terrible, but there are like some marks, and I love sitting out here and reading, but it's just a little, hopefully that comes out. I don't know what that is, but we're gonna work on it. Ooh, I want to show you guys too. I'm too lazy to go walk over there right now, but my father-in-law installed a garden and he's been working on it. We have so much being planted, so I'm so excited for that. I'll definitely kind of do a progress update with you guys, even though I'm not working on it at all. I'm very excited. Okay, it's now 5 o'clock. I'm gonna wrap up. I only was able to get these 3 pieces done, and it's already starting to collect here, but it's fine. I'm gonna go, I still have to do all this. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and probably the next day, because I need a shower. Brad and his dad are on their way back from the soccer game, so I'm gonna shower since right now I'll have to share, and then start dinner, but happy with my progress. Okay, also here was today's outfit. Top, honestly, I forget. I think this might be from, oh my gosh, I don't know. I've had it forever. Where did I get this? Maybe Forever 21. Honestly, it's held up really good. Considering I've had this for like 10 years, I think. And then these pants are from TJ Maxx. I love these joggers. Old Navy has a bunch, so I think I'm gonna go and pick up more. They're just like so good, especially on Sundays. I like to do my reset and not get so dressed up for the day, especially doing like outside work or yard work, I should say. These are great, so I'll try and link them below. I don't know what the brand is. I think it's 90 Degrees. I like that athletic brand a lot. But yeah, okay, anyways, gonna go. Like I said, I need to start showering because, as you guys know, we all have to share a shower right now and they're on their way back, so I figured I'd get ahead of it. That way I can also start dinner. I'm making this super yummy ravioli dish that I got off of TikTok. I'll link it. It's so good and it's so easy. So yeah, anyways, check with you guys later on.